This service video shows how to install a new door lock. Tools needed: a Phillips screwdriver, parts needed: a new door lock. Remember to unplug the unit from the power source. To replace the lock parts inside the unit, unscrew the base plate from the unit and remove it. Remove the screws then separate the parts. Screw the base plate onto the unit. Then slide and screw the new part into place. To remove the lock parts from the door lock, unscrew the screws. Attach the new door lock. Screw it securely into place. The door lock is now installed. It's that simple.